It says a lot about our community because we have a lot of kids in here, and to see the support we had in the stands while we were down here, it was pretty cool. It was a pretty special moment.
Every year at Blue Springs High School, students like Gabriel McLean participate in Brave a Shave, with Wildcats volunteering to shave off their hair in an effort to raise money for pediatric cancer research. A tradition that held special significance this year, with video presentations from Assistant Principal Heather Knudsen and Athletic Director Kelly Donahoe, who have both dealt with cancer recently.
Just so impressed with you guys are doing that, and I know it'll go good.
Elements organizers say made the event unique.
It was very emotional this year, and we haven't had that in the past years, so I think this event was more important and touched more kids.
Those students hearing those stories and knowing the people that are telling those stories is very emotional. You know, bringing that awareness to our student body is really important.
And part of that awareness even came from a current student, with Trey Ellebrecht sharing a story of his own battle with thyroid cancer.
My nurse had his back to me, and it hurt to talk.
An impactful narrative that was a driving force behind McLean's participation this year.
He's in my 4th hour, so being able to have that conversation with him, hear his story, and then it's something that they have to live with. And for me to be able to have that choice, it was special for me to be able to make that decision.
And while the fundraising aspect is important, the message was also about awareness and support, with a focus on bringing the Blue Springs community closer together.
We have a great student body here, a great family. We had such a great turnout this year and every other year. It's just an amazing thing to be a part of.
It's not the shaving your head, it's just having the support from everyone else and knowing that even if you do that, your friends are going to be there, and that's what's special about it.
For more information on Brave a Shave or the Blue Springs School District, check us out on Facebook and Twitter, or visit the website at bssd.net.